Adolf Hitler was fully aware of the absolute necessity of success at the Battle of Kursk. He needed a success to re-establish the month lost in the disaster at Stalingrad. It was a gamble which was not destined to succeed. In the north, the effectiveness of a Russian defense limited the progress of von Klunger's 9th Army. In the south, von Manstein's 4th Panzer Army advanced 25 miles and threatened to penetrate the Voronezh front. Reserves from the Steppes front had to be pumped into the battle to bolster the salient's defenders and prevent the 4th Panzers from breaking through into open country. They succeeded, and the Germans had fallen into Zhukov's trap. From now on, the enemy was in undisputed possession of the initiative.